Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today I'm doing a whole house clean with me, and I'm doing a bit more of a deeper clean today. There are areas that just get left and totally forgotten about, and I really need to get to those today. So hopefully this video gives you tons of deep cleaning motivation to deep clean your homes as well. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it does, and also consider subscribing, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I wanted to start off in the bedroom today, so I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed, do the normal everyday tidying, and then we can dive in a little bit deeper and give it a bit more of a deeper clean. Just look how gross these skirting boards have got. I only noticed on my way out, and honestly skirting boards isn't something that you tend to just look at every day, so it can build up really quickly, but as soon as it's done it's definitely noticeable when it's clean. So it's really strange, you never notice when they're dirty, but you can definitely tell when they're clean. So go ahead and check out yours and see how bad they are, and just give them a quick wipe over, because it always feels 10 times better.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say
Okay, so once the bedroom was done, I just headed through into the ensuite, and this is definitely my least favourite room to do, but it definitely needed a good scrub today. It's been a little while since I've emptied everything out and given it a proper deep clean, so that's what I wanted to do today. So I am just going to drag everything out so I've got a nice blank canvas to work with.
stay, don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around.
The final thing that I need to do in here is just do the floor. So I'm going to go around all of the edges with an anti-bac wipe. I like to just go in by hand because then I know nothing gets missed, and then I can go in with a mop, and I'm just using this anti-bac wipe one. It's just so easy to use, and then I can just throw the wipe away at the end. So I'm just going to finish off the floor and then we can move on from there.
You got me sleep deprived.
So I'm now downstairs in the front room, and I'm just going to go ahead, open the windows and do a quick pickup. It's really not too bad in here today, so I'm just going to whiz around and put everything back where it belongs.
I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped upon it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
So I just wanted to show you a quick close-up because I know this table always looks clean from a distance, but this is pretty much what it looks like every day, covered in dust and also Cinnabon's fur, because that literally goes everywhere nowadays. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe off and just make it nice and clean, ready for the day.
Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, you got me looped upon it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
So when I went ahead and opened up these windows, I saw this huge cobweb, so I made a mental note to go back and clean these because it has been a very long time. And I'm just going to go in with the white vinegar spray. I've not used this on the doors before, but it has been recommended and it was really good. It got rid of all of the cobwebs, the smudges, the fingerprints and everything else. So thank you for recommending that to me. I'm definitely going to be using that again in the future. It's just left everything nice and shiny.
On my wall, circling an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
So as you can see, the kitchen is nice and tidy on this day, and I just love coming down to a nice tidy kitchen, so I can just go straight in with the cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the countertops, just disinfecting them, ready for the day. I'm also going to go in and scrub the sink because I love a nice shiny sink, and I also need to do the floors today because again it's been a while since I've done that, so I need to give those a good mop as well.
On the outside looking in, never had a place where up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also consider subscribing, and I'll see you back here in the next one.